Hello, I am Professor Bijukumar, Head the Department of Aquatic Biology and Fisheries, University of Kerala, presenting my credentials for the National Award for Teachers, NAT 2023. As you are all aware, the credentials of a professor, an academician, is recorded in three scenarios: one, contribution to the academic, primarily teaching and learning, and two, research, and three, outreach. As far as academics is concerned, I have an experience of over 3 decades from 1994 and developing a new innovative curricula and innovative practices in teaching and learning, and ensuring inclusivity in teaching and learning process. As far as research is concerned, I published 223 research papers in peer-reviewed journals with a H index of 22 and a highest impact factor of 10.1. And I so far published 26 books in both English and Malayalam, and some of my books are referred in the graduate courses all over India. And I edited 24 books and written 45 book chapters. And I remain as a popular science communicator, environmental education, and ocean literacy expert, also championing eco-restoration programs all over Kerala. And regarding the awards, I have won the Young Scientist Award of Government of Kerala, Indian Academy of Environmental Sciences, and also Academic Excellence Award and highest Research Grant Award from University of Kerala. And as the Vice Chairman of the Credit and Semester System of University of Kerala, I have been instrumental in coordinating the development of outcome-based education syllabi for all the 44 departments in the university. And with regard to the teaching, I practice several strategies, especially for active learning, and with innovative group discussions, case studies, debates, and also develop portfolios for each student to understand their learning curve. And so far designed almost 32 new courses for our PG and UG programs. And I also incorporate ICT and STEM education in the teaching learning process. And even after COVID, we continue with the flipped classroom exercise. And also in the revised curriculum, we have dedicated one full semester for the project work and field work, which enable the student in highlighting the research and understanding the academics through the research activity, as well as the field studies and internships. And that's an innovation which I brought in the curriculum and academics. And over the years, I have been instrumental in developing the infrastructure facilities as a coordinator of UGC SAP Phase 3. And in these years, in the last few years, we developed a molecular systematics laboratory dedicatively for the department, microalgal culture laboratory, aquaponics and bioflow systems, and recirculatory aquaculture system. In addition, we installed a marine museum with an on-ground support from the government of Kerala, and also an aqua clinic and instructional fish farm, which also facilitates students to earn while learn. And this is implemented for the first time in the state, in the universities. And also in coming to the research, through these years, I have developed the personal rapport with very senior and reputed professors all over the world, which resulted in active MOUs with the National University of Singapore, the National Taiwan Ocean University, Lausanne State University, and Cyprus University in Europe. And these are all working MOUs, primarily because it resulted in ultimate exchange of students and faculty with these universities. And also we conducted, with the help of these international experts, several international training programs, and also the 6 professors from leading universities, including the University of the Oxford and the Florida Naturalistic Museum and Naturalistic Museum in Japan, and also Wales Museum in UK. They visited us, and also these kind of visits and the collaborative research ultimately resulted in producing almost 60 research papers in the last few years. And a series of the best paper awards were won by my students under my guidance, and also I have been nominated as a journal editorial board of Journal of Threat and Taxa, and the frontiers in marine sciences. And over and also we maintain collaboration with several Indian research institutions, including ICER, Zoological Survey of India, CMFR, ACB, and other ICR institutions across the country. And one of the highlight of my research over the last few decades is species discovery, species new to science. And our lab has, I have discovered 52 species, including 5 new genus. And some of the species discoveries got international attention and came as the news in the National Geographic and other magazines and media across the globe. And also some of the interesting discoveries using modern cutting-edge sciences, like the radio label, so the labeling of the tracking and labeling of the humpback whale, which we traced here, and recording the sound of the blue whale, which we got for the first time in India through the installation of hydrophones. And now we initiate underwater biodiversity surveys with the remotely operated vehicles. And these are the research highlights that I can explain to you. And regarding consultancy, I have been offering consultancy, especially for the construction of the public aquarium in India. And with industry, we also did a consultancy for testing the quality of the aquaculture seeds feed developed by an Israeli company. And also we are part of the ecosystem monitoring program for the Bijukumar Adani port in the recent past, and that's an ongoing work. And I served as the director of the startup center in University of Kerala, and from 3 to 4 startups. Now we have around 100 startup in University of Kerala, thanks to the Idea Fest and other activities which we initiated. And now this has become a startup culture in University of Kerala. And we ourselves have ventured a POSI Dharma, where we use the marine-derived collagens from the fish waste for developing biomaterials for human health, and that's a new initiative. And extension awareness program, a series of extension and awareness programs were launched. As a Dean of Faculty of Science, I initiated the Science Week celebrations and open house program in University of Kerala. And we have a very unique the beach cleanup program, and also eco restoration program for the wetlands of Kerala. And in addition, we are organizing fish census, which is a unique initiative in India, where we conduct fish census with the participation of citizen science and the fisher communities. We also published one research paper involving the citizen scientists documenting marine biodiversity. That's also for the first time in India. And also we publish a lot of informative materials and regularly organize the exhibitions and awareness campaigns and ocean literacy campaigns, mainly to propagate the idea of which we develop in our academics and research centers to the public. And also in policy inputs, I was coordinating the environmental policy for Kerala, and also we initiated a policy formulation for protection of the coastal areas of Kerala, and now it is with the government for further consideration. And as part of the national action plan for managing invasive species, this book has been published by Government of India. And also a series of skilling and awareness programs have been organized in the recent past, which actually facilitated skilling for a large number of youngsters in the country. And all these activities, including my own lectures, have been uploaded in the e-platform of University of Kerala called KU Pathshala. And these are all the publications which we brought out, and some of the publications are already in the recommended list of reference books of many universities in Kerala. And many of the erudite scholars who visited from across the world during with our initiative, and many of the collaborations which I have initiated, and all these collaborations are continuing, resulting in good quality publications in our lab. And these are some of all these activities are also highlighted in the media, print and electronic media, and which also ultimately help in increasing the public perception of the university at a large. Thank you very much.